Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend, Friday, August the 27th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku left. The first one I have solved the Sudoku Light, and the second one is a Sudoku Heavy. By the way, there is no extra additional, no extras puzzles in this newspaper. Let me show you. Okay, no extra Sudokus. So what I will do is I will continue with the extra Sudokus in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday, the publisher has published 9 extra Sudokus. 9, and 5 of them I have solved. So there are 4 Sudokus left. And yeah, after this regular Sudoku, I will solve those 4. 1, 2. Yes, this is the first day's newspaper. 1, 2, 1, 2 star, 1 and 2 stars, the tectonic, and a binary. So this will be, I will do this later on, but first, the Sudoku Heavy, the regular Sudoku, yes. And this will be number, let me zoom this in, yes, and position the camera. Alright. This will be number 3305. 3305. Alright. 3305. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wow, 24 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 4 stars Sudoku. And for a 4 star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright. If it's really a 4 stars, yes. So we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 6s, 3 9s, 3 8s, 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 1s, 3 1s, 2 7s, 2 3s. Alright. Okay, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Yes, the practice starts now. The practice starts. Alright. Now we have 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Well, we see there another 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. There 6. No 6 there. So the 6 could be here. Could be there. We see here another 6. So no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. Four in this row, four in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the four should be here or there. We see there four, no four there. Four should be there. One in this column, the last column, one in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the one should be here or there. We see there one, no one there, one should be there. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about the number? The one in this row, the one in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the one should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 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 Then. How about yeah, how about we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 8, 9, yes. So the 2, the 5, and the 7. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here in this big square. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 1 number left in this row for the number 5. Okay. So we have 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. 1, 7, 7. We have a pair. 8 and a 9 in the third row. 8 and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 and 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and the 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in the middle column. So no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. Is missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 1 or 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this row, the third row. So no 4 and 3 in these two boxes. The 4 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4. Should be here. And the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Now we have two numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Alright. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Okay. Then one number left in the second row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah. One number left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second column. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. Can I fill this yet? No, I need to wait. 8 and the 9 are missing. Need to wait. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in this column. For the number 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes. The 2 is missing. Alright. Then 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 1. Alright. Alright. Then. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Alright. 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Alright. Okay. So we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8, but 1 number left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit 4, number 4. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see a 909 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. We see here 909 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 9. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final number of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright, finish in 18 minutes. Alright, is this really a 4 stars? No. I don't think so, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. Is this a... So it's not a 4 stars. So is this a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I think it's rather a 2 stars. Alright, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the extra Sudokus in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, I will continue with the yesterday's newspaper, because today there are no extra Sudokus, no additional. So see you later. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And until then, bye-bye for now.